Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to screen share PlayStation 5 gameplay on Discord or any type of visual display on your PlayStation through Discord. So what you essentially need to do is you'll need to use either a PS Remote Play or a capture card. PS Remote Play allows you to stream your PS5 gameplay to your PC, which from there you can share onto Discord. Capture cards provide a more direct connection, allowing you to capture the PS5 screen and stream it directly to Discord. So if you're using a PS Remote Play, install your PS Remote Play, download it, and connect it to your PS5. Of course, sign into your PSN account on the app using the same account you use on your PlayStation 5. Launch the PS Remote Play and then simply screen share it onto Discord via your PC. Now, if you're using a capture card, connect your capture card to your PC and ensure your capture card is properly configured in your streaming software. Then simply connect the PS5 to your capture card and from there screen share onto Discord. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.